I'll show you how to save time. So everybody knows mapping variables is annoying. Let's just vibe code it. In this example, I'm going to be asking the AI to pass variables from one node to another. After refreshing the page, we can see that it successfully mapped the variables. Now let's go over the tutorial part. Open a new project, create a new folder and a new file. Those are the names, copy them. You need to copy this setting. The link is down below. Now go to n8n settings. It's on the bottom left. Click n8n API, create new API key. Copy the key and paste it in the settings. And also replace your API URL, which is your n8n address. Now, open up Cursor, go to Settings, Cursor Settings, search for MCP tools. Make sure the MCP is green and restart Cursor. Now we're gonna add the rules. Go to Settings again, type in rules, select your MCP tool, create new rule, and copy the rules from the link below, save it. Make sure you keep a copy of the workflow before the AI changes in case something goes bad, so you can always revert back. I'll also post a video about how to achieve n8n version control, how you can save your workflows to GitHub and have a clean development.